Hello, my name is Nick Sai, and today I want to give you an opportunity to leverage the system that I use to make $81,078.23 on Amazon in 1 month to build your own business. But before we go any further, I have a few questions for you to determine if you're in the right place. Do you want to create a sustainable online business working from home? Did you try all sorts of systems, tricks, and courses and nothing worked for you consistently and predictably? Would you like to achieve total time and money freedom by mastering and replicating a few simple steps that can be done by anyone? If so, by the time this video ends, I'll show you how you can. Use my copy-paste Amazon wholesaling model to build a sustainable six-figure business even if you have zero tech skills. If you've been following me for some time, you'll know that I'm currently traveling the world while running an e-commerce business from my laptop. I'm all but retired at 31. Basically, I make my living selling physical products online. I do this without needing a huge upfront investment. It means I don't have to be careful with my money, as I can always get sales going. Without having a warehouse, or heck even a single employee, without needing a lot of money for advertising, I start with as little as $5 to $10 per day. Now, while this seems crazy to a lot of people, it's actually quite simple. So here's my 3-step formula that will show you how to do this. Oh, and by the way, a side benefit of using this particular model is that nobody's really doing it right now, so your competition will be minuscule and your margins really big. Step number 1, create your Amazon account. So the twist that will make sure you have low competition and high margins is that you will be leveraging Amazon to not sell other people's products, but find profitable products from China and then label them as your own. And the best thing is, Amazon will do all the work for you. You just need to find the products. Step number 2, find hot products. Once you have your account set up and optimized, you need to find the right products to label and sell. This means products that are currently in demand and have a proven track record. This is the crucial part of building your business, and that's why you'll spend most of your time searching for the right products. Step 3, get profitable traffic. After you have a couple of products that look good, you need to start sending traffic to them. And to get this right, you first have to test. My suggestion is to first go with Facebook, as it will allow you to target specific audience and will fit the $5 to $10 starting budget. So, I know what you're wondering about right now. Why isn't everyone doing this? Well, a couple of reasons. This is a relatively new model, and almost nobody knows about this yet. Also, most people are quitters, and they give up after their first try if they don't get rich overnight. Not a lot of people like me are teaching the real stuff. So, when you add these reasons together, it's pretty easy to see why. Okay, so how can you get started quickly, you ask? Introducing the Ecom Income Blueprint Program. When you finish this training, you'll have a proven plan for going from 0 to 1K plus per day with Amazon. I've condensed everything I've learned over the years into a single, comprehensive video course that will provide you with step-by-step instructions for creating your own profitable online business. Here's how joining my Ecom Income Blueprint Program can help you. It's simple. I want to do the same thing for you as I've done with a handful of my top students times 10. I want to teach you how to truly transform your life. This won't be about making some additional pocket money. I want to teach you how to create a true lifestyle business. EIB is a program that will take you from a complete newbie to someone who has the potential to make a passive 6 or 7-figure income. I'll teach you how even complete newbie can find profitable products, white label them, and get massive sales with a minimal upfront investment. I'll show you everything. How to configure your Amazon account and set up all the settings. I'll teach you how to find extremely profitable products, show you how to get massive organic traffic quickly. I'll teach you how to leverage my 6-figure internal Amazon PPC advertising formula even if you don't even have an account there right now. Once we're done with the program, you'll have an entire e-com business ready to go. The course itself has 4 huge modules, around 20 high-quality, actionable videos that are not only going to give you the info, but also make sure that you take the action steps necessary to succeed. Here's exactly what you'll learn if you take this program. My 3 Amazon selling secrets you won't find anywhere else that will allow you to quickly scale your online profits. How to find highest quality items that will be absolutely most profitable. Tips for effortlessly negotiating the best deals without feeling awkward about it. how to target the right keywords and make your offer stand out, how to create an amazing sales page that will get 5-star reviews and bring in tons of new sales. A simple technique I personally use to ensure my Amazon products consistently rank high on Google and various other search engines. How to boost your sales by taking advantage of pay-per-click, the most effective advertising system Amazon offers. And how to skyrocket your profit by promoting your products on Facebook to a wide audience that's already interested in what you're selling. Okay, so if you like what you see, click the button below and join my Ecom Income Blueprint program. Oh, and I'm so confident you'll love it, I want to give you an unconditional 60-day money-back guarantee. I didn't only choose a symbolic price and made my course affordable, I took it one step further. I've decided to offer everyone who's interested in my system an unconditional 60-day money-back guarantee. This means that your investment is 100% protected. All I'm asking from you is to carefully consider this offer before you choose to miss out on a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. If for whatever reason you're not completely satisfied with the information you receive in my course and feel like the value it provides isn't worth the price, I'll gladly give you a full refund, no questions asked. To start getting the results I described, simply click the button below and get instant access to my Ecom Income Blueprint program.